What's up, guys? Guess what day it is? It's wash day. As you can see, this is not my best look. It's really not that bad though, but it is dry and tangled, so we have to handle that. I bought some new products 2 days ago from Target, so I'm going to try this moisture mask from Shea Moisture. I bought that one because I used this finishing elixir with the same line before and my hair really liked it, so I'm going to try this one. And I'm also going to try some Mielle Organics products that I have not tried before. So this is the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream. Let me know if anyone has used this because I never have, so we'll see if my hair likes it or not. But I did try this a few days ago. It's Spray Leave-In White Peony Leave Conditioner. It works really good, so I'm going to put it on my hair after with the curl cream. The first thing I'm going to do is deep condition and then come back after and I'll show you guys what I decide to do. I don't know if I'm going to do a wash and go or like twist it, but yeah, we'll see. I'll be right back. I'm out the shower now. My hair is washed. I wash it in 2 sections. That's why it's like that. And when I'm done with a section, I braid it up. So I'm just going to show you guys what my hair looks like with no product on it.
Okay guys, so from this point on, I'm just going to do a talk through. Right here, I'm just parting my hair because I'm going to put a braid in the middle of it and I'm going to put the other pieces to the side. What I'm using is a rat tail comb. It's a metal tail and it's really, really good for braiding. Okay, so we have the curl cream. I'm going to rub it in real good and then just flat twist this really quickly to put it to the side.
Rent so high in the neighborhood, but love don't call what she said she would. Friends who come don't stay for good, no, no, no.
Before I twist each section, I'm going to spray with the leave-in, put the curl cream in, and spray it with the finishing elixir.
But some of us go to heaven too soon.
Then I'm going to detangle with the diamond brush from the ends and go up. So I'm going to slow it down in a second, but basically for a flat twist, you're just doing a regular 2-strand twist and grabbing more hair as you go down.
Rent so high in the neighborhood, but love don't call what she said she would. Friends who come don't stay for good, no, no, no. Pigs won't take black mama's kids. Bible say we all from the same river, but some of us go to heaven too soon. Why some of us get to heaven too soon?
Okay, so now I'm gonna take out the twist I did first to braid it, going back, and the end of the braid I'm just gonna twist because I'm gonna end up taking that out tomorrow also. So I'm gonna spray it, let it dry for the rest of the night, and take it out in the morning. Okay, so I'm taking it out and realizing my hair is still kind of damp, but it'll still come out, okay?
Cardboard cut out, sharp teeth, smart mouth, smile big, small waist, big hips, cut pace. Forgive me, but you look familiar. Prom queen, mean chick, teen mom, bad bitch, real bad advice, can't fool me twice. Forgive me, but you look familiar. She the latest model, but these hoes retros. 1 in a million, but these bitches special. It's 2 shoes in a pair, 2 peas in a pie, 3 peas inappropriate, groupies in a mob. Usually I like them to look just like you. You just so usual, you just look used. I need something out of the norm. Foreign just don't seem foreign no more. Just give me the porn, it's like foreign no more. Trying to raise the bar, I was born in a torn. Got a lot of wives, more than a Mormon. CNCs, I ain't even performing. But we met in the life when we were both cats. Our owners were neighbors, how funny is that? What's funnier is yours had 8 different cats, the same shade of black, and I'm blind as a bat. Cardboard cut out, sharp teeth, smart mouth, smile big, small waist, big hips, cut face. Forgive me, but you